everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious and easy mac and cheese. This is a perfect side dish for your Thanksgiving dinner. It's so yummy and creamy. If you guys wanna see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, I've set my pot on medium heat and I've added 4 quarts of water. The water is now boiling. I'm gonna add some salt. And I'm gonna add 1 pound of large elbow pasta. Give it a mix. And we're gonna cook it for about 6 minutes. It's been 7 minutes. Our pasta is now cooked. I'm gonna turn it off and drain it. I'm gonna start grating the cheese. For mac and cheese, it's always best to use freshly grated cheese. I'm gonna start grating the Colby Jack cheese. Next, I'm gonna grate Sharp Cheddar cheese. And last, we're gonna grate Smoked Gouda cheese. I'm gonna set my pot to low-medium heat. Once the pot is hot, I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna wait for the butter to melt. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add in 3 minced garlic cloves and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're gonna mix it around. Make sure that your flour is dissolved. I'm gonna add 4 cups of room temperature, half and half. Once we add in the half and half, give it a stir. And we're gonna start adding in our cheese. I'm adding 1.5 cups of Sharp Cheddar cheese, 1 cup of Smoked Gouda cheese, and 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese. Now we mix it until all the cheeses are completely melted. Once all the cheese is melted, I'm gonna lower the heat and add in the spices. Here I have 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. And we mix everything in. Once everything is well mixed, I'm gonna add salt to taste. Give it a stir. And now we're gonna turn off the heat. And now we're gonna add in the pasta. And make sure it's completely covered. Once it's all mixed in, we're gonna transfer it to our baking pan. Now I'm gonna top it off with some Colby Jack cheese. You can add as much as you'd like. And last, we're gonna add some Sharp Cheddar. It's now ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. It's actually been baking for 15 minutes and now I'm gonna check on it. It looks perfect. Now I'm gonna broil it for an additional 5 minutes or until you get a golden crispy coat. Okay, the mac and cheese is now ready. Last, we're gonna sprinkle it with some parsley flakes. And there you have it, delicious macaroni and cheese. Now I'm gonna serve myself a plate. Okay guys, moment of truth. This is so delicious, super creamy. Never wanna go to boxed mac and cheese. Cheers. Super, super delicious. Perfect for your Thanksgiving dinner. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.